dear friend, today I'd like to recommend one of the best-selling products of SUNCOMM all over the world. It's 5G CPE, and the model is SE06 in this product. It has high-performance 5G CPE designed to provide high-speed, no-latency wireless network connectivity to home, business, and industrial users. This device integrates advanced hardware architecture, intelligent software management system, and the latest 5G and Wi-Fi technologies to bring the users an excellent network experience. Okay, let's follow me. From the appearance, we can see here there are many antennas, and these four are 5G antennas, and these four are Wi-Fi antennas. Okay, look at this side. This is mesh button. It supports mesh networking. There are two name ports. It's 1G, and this is one port. It's 2.5G. This is power input. You can charge it here. Okay, move on to this side. There is a reset button. You can poke it with small needle for 10 seconds, which we usually need to reset or update the firmware. Okay, there was a 1 nano SIM card slot. Okay, from the appearance, which is the most I want to mention here, is the material of the product. We use ABS and PC material, so the shell is so hardness, and the fireproofing is fantastic. Okay, the next I want to mention here is the SMA connector. Is this, which you can connect the outdoor antennas, which it can help you to improve your signals problems.